When it comes to raising a baby, there are plenty of surprises and challenges along the way. One of these challenges is infant vomiting. It can be quite distressing and worrisome for parents, especially if they're new to this whole parenting gig. So, let's dive into the topic and understand the causes and possible solutions for infant vomiting. Infant vomiting is quite common, and it can happen for various reasons. One of the most common causes is overfeeding. When babies are fed too much, their little tummies can't handle the excess milk, and throwing up becomes their way of telling you they've had enough. It's important for parents to monitor their baby's feeding cues and ensure they're giving them the right amount. Another common cause of vomiting in infants is gastroesophageal reflux, GER. This occurs when the muscle between the esophagus and stomach is not fully developed, causing stomach acid to flow back up into the esophagus, leading to vomiting. This condition usually resolves on its own as the baby grows, but in some cases, medication may be needed. Infections, such as stomach viruses or urinary tract infections, can also cause vomiting in infants. These infections are typically accompanied by other symptoms like fever and diarrhea, so it's important to keep an eye out for any changes in your baby's overall health. Now, what can you do to help your little one when they're experiencing bouts of vomiting? First and foremost, it's crucial to keep them hydrated. Offer small, frequent feedings and make sure they're getting enough fluids. If your baby is exclusively breastfed, continue to breastfeed as usual. If they're formula fed, consult your pediatrician for any changes in the formula or feeding method. In more severe cases, where dehydration is a concern, it's always best to seek medical advice. Remember, each baby is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. It's essential to discuss any concerns or issues with your pediatrician, who can provide tailored guidance and support. Although infant vomiting can be worrisome, with proper understanding and attention, parents can navigate this phase with confidence.